Hamjambo, hamjambo tena, karibuni sana kwa kipindi kingine cha Let's Learn Kiswahili. Tujifunze Kiswahili na Mwalimu Rose. I'm very sorry, it has been a term or rather a semester that I was engaged, but now I'm back. We shall be having our classes as usual. I believe at least every week I'll be trying to post like once or twice, and then before everything sets up right. So how are you and how have you been? Welcome back. Today's episode we're going to learn about common phrases that you can use in Swahili when you're speaking. It's just like a verb, so I'll be interpreting them into Swahili. Let's get started. To talk, in Swahili we say kuongea, kuongea. To write, kuandika. To think, kuwaza. To relax, kutulia. To stop, kukoma. To abandon, kuacha. To leave, kuondoka. To strengthen, kutia nguvu. To stretch, kunyoosha. To connect, kuunganisha. And to refund, kurudisha. Can we try one more time? Just Swahili is easy. As you just look at it, you just try and sound it as it appears. To talk, kuongea vizuri. To write, kuandika. To think, kuwaza. To relax, kutulia. To stop, kukoma. To abandon, kuacha. To leave, kuondoka. To strengthen, kutia nguvu. To stretch, kunyoosha. To connect, kuunganisha. To refund, kurudisha. Vizuri sana, you did well. Now kindly try and practice them below at the comment section. And do have a wonderful